Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install e-bond options and account setup on TreasuryDirect. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the TreasuryDirect website. Locate the Open an Account option on the home page. Click on the link to start the account setup process. Read through the information provided about account types and options. Select the individual option if you are opening a personal account. Fill in your personal information in the designated fields. Provide your social security number, date of birth, and contact details. Choose a user ID and password that you will remember. Select security questions and provide answers for account recovery. Review your information to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Accept the terms and conditions to continue. Click on the Submit button once all fields are completed. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation message from TreasuryDirect. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Log back into your TreasuryDirect account with your newly created user ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage My Accounts section. Select the option for Buy Direct to purchase e-bonds and other products. Choose Series EE Savings Bonds from the list of options available. Select the purchase amount and quantity you desire. Confirm your purchase details before proceeding to payment. Link your bank account by providing your bank routing number and account number. Confirm your bank information is accurate to facilitate transactions. Complete the payment process by following the prompts. Review your order summary once your purchase is successful. You will receive a confirmation of your bond purchase via email. To view your e-bonds, return to the Manage My Accounts section. Click on My Holdings to see all your purchased bonds. Make sure to keep your account information secure for future transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.